Building an OAuth provider isn't just another item on your to-do list. It's a leap into a complex world of secure authorization. This isn't a project you can rush. If you're aiming to scale your app sustainably, understanding OAuth 2.0 plus PKCE and its intricacies like RFC 9728 metadata and dynamic client registration is non-negotiable. Let's break it down. OAuth is like having a bouncer at your club's entrance. It ensures only the right people get in, but setting it up isn't as simple as hiring a guy at the door. You need to budget time and resources because this bouncer needs to be smart, like really smart. Think scoped tokens and consent screens smart. Crack the code. OAuth implementation demystified master. OAuth to secure your app with smart authorization. Elevate user experience with intuitive consent screens. Gain immediate ROI by positioning your product as a workflow solution. 1. Understanding OAuth 2.0 plus PKCE OAuth. 2.0 plus PKCE is the gold standard for securing your app's authorization processes. Picture it as a two-step verification, but on steroids. With PKCE, even if someone intercepts your authorization code, they can't use it. It's like having a secret handshake only your server knows. RFC 9728 metadata and dynamic client registration add layers of security and flexibility. They allow your app to register clients dynamically, a must-have for scalable solutions. Think of it as a VIP list that updates itself with every new guest who fits your criteria. 2. Designing effective consent. Consent screens can make or break user engagement. Imagine trying to get into a club, but the sign says, "Authenticate your credentials." Confusing, right? Instead, use plain English. Confirm it's really you. This clarity boosts user trust and conversion rates. /B test your consent screens to find the wording that clicks. It's like testing different music playlists at your club to see which one gets people dancing. Higher approval rates from users and platform reviewers are your reward. 3. Documentation as a product component. Documentation isn't just a side dish, it's part of the main course. Your product's credibility depends on it. Separate documentation from your core app code and host it in a public GitHub repository. This transparency protects your business logic while aiding platform approval. Think of documentation as the map to your treasure. Without it, users and reviewers are lost, and your treasure remains undiscovered. 4. User discovery. Within the product, how do users find out about your app's new features? In-app notifications like dismissible callouts and menu options are your best friends. They guide users through new features, making discovery seamless. Consider the launch of a new feature as a mini-event. Guide users with clear paths, and they'll follow. It's like rolling out a red carpet for them. Who can resist walking down a red carpet? 5. Strategic branding and positioning. Your product's branding should evolve as it grows. If your app is no longer just a tool but a workflow solution, its name should reflect that. A sophisticated name aligns with its capabilities, affecting user perception and market positioning. Think of it like upgrading from a garage band name to a headline act. A name change can signal to your audience that something big is happening, and they won't want to miss it. The bridge. From theory to execution, most AI training is theoretical fluff. The gap between a hobbyist and an authority isn't just the tool you use, it's the logic gates you build into the workflow. I've built this laboratory to solve one problem: the efficiency gap. If your AI isn't producing world-class results in a 180-second powerhouse run, you aren't using a system. You're using a toy. We build custom AI systems that automate lead generation, content, and operations. One audit call, zero obligation. Ready to execute this strategy? Get access to the exact frameworks and tools we use to scale. Ready to execute this strategy? Get access to the exact frameworks and tools we use to scale.